In this video, we're going to be having a look at VRA Veracity. Where is Veracity potentially going in the near future? A lot of people in the comments have been asking me to do a video about Veracity. If it's still alive, is it dead? Will the bear market completely destroy Veracity? And the question and the answer to that is no. Before I dive into the whole Veracity technical analysis aspect, chart analysis, if you guys like these daily videos, don't forget to leave a like, smash that subscribe button, and let's get straight to business. Starting off with coin market cap. VRA is currently up 4.5% in the past 24 hours with a market cap of $31 million. If there is one coin that could 100x and make you a millionaire, it will probably be VRA Veracity. And the reason why is they have a lot going on. Number one, it's still not listed on Binance. It seems like they want to wait for the bull market, the next bull market, to essentially give that boost and list it on Binance. Okay, so VRA is not going to get listed on Binance anytime soon, and it would potentially and essentially be the worst time to list Veracity right now on Binance in a bear market. I mean, they're not going to be getting any sorts of traction or anything like that, right? So it wouldn't be so good. The volume is up 44% in the past 24 hours, of course. And of course, guys, they do have a partnership with Amazon Ads, which is crazy and very, very good. It's amazing, amazing news. Obviously, it's not really news. This happened 2 months ago, but I'm just telling you guys why Veracity won't die in the bear market. Right now, it is a little bit dead because we are in a bear market. That's the same way with Bitcoin, Ethereum, and whatnot. We do have 370,000 people on the watch list, so VRA has a massive, massive community. Yes, it might be dead, it might be slow, it might not be moving right now so much, but the community is still there. We all saw what happened to Doge and Shiba and whatnot, right? Doge was a community coin. It was dead, it was going sideways for 2 years, and then all of a sudden it just exploded once again. It is currently ranked 437. Okay, so we aren't still in the top 500, but we have to remember, guys, Veracity is very low, crypto market cap coin. 31 million is really, really, really low. And of course, you could trade it on KuCoin, Bittrex, Bithumb, Bitfinex, OKX, Crypto.com. I mean, you have a bunch of exchanges. I believe even MEXC. So this is that. Let's have a look at technical analysis and where we could potentially go in the near future with Veracity. So first of all, guys, we are in a bear market. There's no question. I don't know how many times I'm going to say this in this video, but we are currently making lower highs. Okay, so we are making lower highs right here. This is the trend line, and we know, guys, the trend is your friend until it bends. So this is going to be like this in an uptrend and a downtrend, and it doesn't matter what, if it's a bear market or bull market, the trend is your friend, right? And we saw it right here. I mean, we saw a nice little trend line right here, and we were essentially trending like to the upside, right? So this was the start of the the channel. We had another hit right here, and then another hit right here, and then of course the trend got destroyed, and we essentially came down, and of course that's when the bear market started on Veracity. So the R side, we are looking a little bit weak right here. It seems like we do want to make a move to the upside, but I wouldn't bank on that, guys. There's a few levels I'm going to be watching before, Veracity becomes bullish again on the long term. And the number one level would, of course, be 0.0025. And, of course, the next level for my bear target bottom would essentially be 0.0013, okay? So 0.0013 is essentially right here. I mean, we were consolidating around this area right here. I don't think we're going to go below that. If we do go below that, then it's going to be bad news bears. But if you guys saw my video on Veracity a couple months ago, I did mention that this would be our target number one because of this nice little support we had, or this nice little consolidation that we had over here. And guess what? We hit it a few weeks ago, okay? I was obviously traveling, so I couldn't make videos, but we hit the target. And of course, our next target would most likely be this area, sitting at 0.0016515414. So this is exactly what's going to happen right now. If I take this and I actually, calculate the percentage, it would be a 50% drop. 50% drop on VRA, that would slash the market cap by 2, of course, which would be a $15 million market cap instead of 31 million right now, which is the current one. Is VRA a scam? No, VRA is not a scam. I would highly suggest doing your own research and due diligence. Let's have a look at the 4-hour time frame, the 1-hour time frame, and then dive into the 15-minute time frame. Okay, so or a few seconds ago, I should say, we were looking at the weekly time frame. Now we're going to be looking at the 4-hour time frame. It seems like Veracity is in a nice little trend on the shorter time frame, as you guys can see, but it also seems like it's consolidating and doesn't know what to do. So this is the consolidation that we have. This is the support and resistance that we have currently in a ascending triangle, sort of. Okay, not a fully closure, not the best looking kind, but it is an ascending triangle, as you guys can see right now. And our target would potentially be this area right here. So if you guys do take along our target would most likely be 37. Let's do that. That would be a 50% decrease. Or of course it would be the outside or the start of this horizontal triangle, and it would be right here sitting at 0.00025, which from here would be a 20% decrease. So that's that on the 4-hour time frame. Things are looking pretty good. I mean, after we saw the inflation numbers come down yesterday, it seems like VRA started pumping, and I mean, Bitcoin started pumping, stocks started pumping. It was obviously good news, and that's about it. If we have a look at the 1-hour time frame real quick, nothing too crazy. The 1-hour time frame is just a long consolidation right here, as you guys can see. And of course, we are sitting at this area right here. So we would essentially need a breakout out of this resistance in order to have a full confirmation. As of right now, Verasity is pumping to the upside. We're going to have a look at the volume in just a second. But before we do that, let's have a look at the 15-minute time frame. 15-minute time frame, we are in a nice little cute little trend right here. As you guys can see, the trend is your friend until it bends. So we are seeing it in the shorter time frame. If we break that, we could see some more downwards action. But as of right now, guys, it seems like the pump will be coming very, very, very soon. If we have a look at the volume right here, okay, so the volume is starting to increase and pick up a little bit right here, as you guys can see on the bottom of my screen, but the RSI is losing some steam. So we know, guys, the RSI, when we reach anywhere above 70, it's overbought, and anywhere below 30 is oversold. So investors are essentially going to be looking to buy when it's below 30, which was right here. This was the bottom of course on Verasity on the 1-hour time frame, and anytime it's above 70, investors are going to be looking to sell. So this is why we peaked right here at 70 and then came back down. Can it happen again one more time here? Very, very possible. Can this be the double top? Very, very possible. We also have interest rate coming out today, guys. Will FOMC, in the FOMC meeting, will the Feds raise interest rate one more time? If it does happen, then we could see a a bigger crash, or more essentially a dump. If you guys saw my video yesterday, I did call a pump and dump action to come. So it's very possible that we see a nice little pump and dump happening right here on VRA Verasity. We're going to have to see, or not even VRA Verasity, just, whole crypto as a whole. So we're going to have to see how this goes on in the next couple of hours. It should be in about an hour and a half to 2 hours. And that's about it. If you guys like this video, of course, don't forget to leave a like, smash that subscribe button, and